Hi, this is our lesson for a Friday, the 14th of January.
2000.
One more month till Valentine's, guys. Don't forget, mark it on your calendars.
This was West Coast swing. Our beginner pattern was underarm turn, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Change your hands. There was an in and out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Another underarm turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Change hands again. Beginner pattern.
Part 2. Got a little more exciting.
And I think we're going to start from over here. No, we'll start from over here. I'm trying to anticipate here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Change your hands. Walking. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And this was our, in our case, it was a 12 or 14 count back and forth. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14. We did another underarm turn with a hand change at the end. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And now for the details. We started out talking about the rhythm of West Coast swing, and we talked about a 6-count rhythm. We asked you to march with us in place. Ladies, you'll start with your right foot. Gentlemen, you'll start with your left foot. It is walk, walk, triple step, walk, walk, triple step, triple. Ladies' footwork, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left.
Gentlemen, it was left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
So, given that rhythm, we taught first an underarm turn, which is also could be thought of as a right side pass. So on the right side pass, Don's right shoulder is going to go back. He's going to step onto those imaginary rails, and I will pass him in the slot. Looks like this. Walk, walk, French cross here, anchor in place.
Gentlemen, we did a back, together, left, right, left step in, right, left, right.
From this direction,
it was back, together, left, right, left, triple step.
Ladies, we decided that George Clooney was going to be our image this week, and that he's standing right over in that direction. So if the slot is the direction that I'm facing and the direction you're seeing me from your screen, I'm always going to step forward on 1, 2, 1, 2. On 3 and 4, I notice that George is here, so I do a side cross in front side, or forward cross in front side, depending on where the leader is, which we call a French cross. So we step forward, cross in front, and you can see my shoulders are now looking at George, and then side. And now I turn to face my partner, anchor in place, or take my last 3 steps in place, 5 and 6. Doing this towards the camera. George is now standing over here. I'm stepping forward, forward, side cross in front, side, turning and anchor in place. By the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So we have an underarm turn. The second piece of the beginner lesson was an underarm turn with a hand change. Leaders, you are in charge of the hand change.
Gentlemen, as we go do our pattern, back, together, left, right, left step in, we're taking our hand and going to the handshake. Triple step.
So we're in a handshake handhold at this point.
From here, we can't, we did a back together, getting out of our way. Gentlemen, we can't slightly to the right, right, left, as we go back, back. That's creating the lady, so she knows she's going to be turning, taking her hand and going to our right, triple, and on step, gentlemen, we're stepping forward onto our left, her right. We're still behind her. From here, gentlemen, we are creating an accent, a focal, no.
A connection.
A connection, okay, that's it. As we take our hand, make a little C and turn her, triple step. We're stepping back into the slot.
So again, with Don, and I'm going to rotate it here so you can see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to step forward on 1, as we said. Now on 2, leaders, Don said you're going to canter slightly to your left. Bring your hand about in front of your shirt buttons. Not all the way touching them, but in that direction. Count 2. That makes the lady's shoulders cant to the right, to her right, so she'll be prepared for the turn. Ladies, we said on 3 and we're going to be putting our feet together as we turn, so we step 3 and. So weight is on my left foot, it's on Don's right foot. Right now, his forearm is on my back, so when he steps forward on 4 with his left foot, I will step forward on 4 with my right foot. On count number 5, he's going to start backing up. Since we're connected here, that's going to have the effect of unrolling me. I'm still going to be unrolling in place, but he'll be backing up so that we can be connected at the end of this pattern. We step 5 and 6. So from this direction, we step 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6.
From here, we did a side pass to get the lady out of the way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Changing hands, 5 and 6, and we're done. So again, this is from the in-out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. Let her go by. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Changing hands. We're done.
We're done. That's the end of the beginner lesson. We'll be right back with the intermediate lesson.
So this is part 2.
Intermediate lesson from January 14th. We start exactly as we did in the beginner lesson, underarm turn with a hand change. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. We start what looks like a in-out to you. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But instead of doing in-out, we do 2 forward walks, 5, 6, and then the exit that we did at the beginner lesson, Don stepping back and I'm unrolling, 7 and 8. So we have an 8 count pattern here.
Gentlemen, the only thing we're doing, 1, 2, 3, and 4. First of all, we are taking our hands and putting it in front of us so she knows something different is going to happen. We're walking 2 steps, forward, forward, or right, left. And from here, we're releasing her triple step as we get into place.
Ladies, walk forward 2 steps. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Part 3, I guess. We changed the lineup a little bit. 1, 2, 3, and. From here, gentlemen, I want you to end up facing, in this case, the camera, going to your side.
Ladies, you're still going to be going straight forward, so we will be at this point at right angles. This is count number 4.
And we did sailor shuffles, turning our hands as we did our side. Triple side, triple side, triple side, triple forward. And this is being, I think, 12. We released, and on 14, 15, 16, Julie turns.
13, 14.
13, 14, 15.
Whatever the end number
14,
is.
15, 16. It has to be even. In this direction, so you guys can see the guy's footwork. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. 9 and 10. 11 and 12. 13, 14, 15.
13 and 14. It's early. We don't expect Don to have the numbers down quite ready, so that you'll just have to do the counting for him.
Your footwork?
Okay, my footwork and my count. All right, so what we were doing was some turning and moving on a triple step. So we divided a triple step into 2 parts. We did triple, that's the one part, and then step is the other part, and I'll show you what that means right now. If we were stepping 1, 2, 3, and 4, this is normal to us to this point. On 5 and, which is the triple part of that pattern, we're going to turn 180 degrees or a half a turn, and we're going to be doing that with our feet together. So 5 and then on 6 we step across or straight ahead, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. So you can see the turning part is the triple, and that's with the feet together. The step on the triple step is stepping across, meaning I'm stepping down line, a definite step. It looks very dramatic if you'll land this with a straight leg. This is not particularly nice. It doesn't look like you're doing much of anything, except maybe walking back and forth. But if you push off your back foot and land with a straight leg and an upright posture, it looks pretty darn dramatic, doesn't it? Well, at least for 8 o'clock in the morning it does. So at the end of our pattern, which happens to be an 11 and 12, we're going to be released on a 13 and 14. So we'll be turning, anchoring in place as our leader backs up. Okay, Don, did you get the numbers right?
So the whole thing again, folks, was side pass 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 5, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12, 13 and 14.
Nice job. He's going to hit me as soon as the camera's off. Underarm turn to a hand change. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6.
And we are done.
And we are really not going to fight when the camera goes off.
We will see you guys
in 3 weeks. Thanks for coming and keep dancing.
Bye.